So, ang topic natin today is solving coefficients, linear, and the two variables. So, I've compiled the steps on how to do it or just how I do it. So, yan, para mas madali, wag na muna natin ito basahin isa-isa and mag-start na tayo mag-solve and saka ko i-explain kung anong meaning nitong steps na to. So, yan. Ang problem natin is the quantity x minus 4y minus 9 dx plus 4x plus y minus 2 dy is equal to 0. So, sabi sa step 1, equate the two lines into 0 to find hk, the points they intersect. So, yan. Equate na muna natin tong x minus 4y minus 9. And ito namang is equal to 0, ito naman, line na to, magiging 4x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, ngayon is, multiply natin to, ito, by 4, para ma-cancel natin yung 4y and makuha natin yung value ng x. So, copy natin to, x minus 4y minus 9, to 4 times 4x is 16x, plus 4y minus 8. Equals 0 silang parehas. So, makakancel na yung negative 4y at 4y kasi magma-minus lang is equal to 0. So, 16x plus x is 17x. Negative 8 minus 9 is negative 17 is equal to 0. So, 17x is equal to 17. So, x is just equal to 1. So, from that, the value ng x, isosolve natin yung y. So, ito na lang yung gamitin natin yung equation 2. So, magiging siyang 4 times 1 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 minus 2 is just 2, so y plus 2 equals 0. Then, y is equal to negative 2. Itong x is equal to just h lang naman, and y is the k. So, ngayon, nahanap na natin yung h and k, kung saan sila nag-intersect. So, ngayon is, next step is substitute the values to the given formula. Ito yung formula natin. X is equal to x prime plus h and y is equal to y prime plus k. We should note that yung x prime and y prime, hindi niya tinutukoy yung mga differentiations na ginagamit natin before. But rather, ang purpose ito nila sa equation na to is just as variable. So, this equation or formula can be written as x is equal to u plus h and y is equal to v plus k. Meaning, itong u and v can be any other variables you want it to be. And ginamit ko lang yung x prime and y prime kasi mas similar siya sa x and y na nakasanayan natin siyang isolve as before. So, yan. Substitute the values to the given formula. So, magiging x is equal to x prime plus h, y is equal to y prime plus k. So, yung x natin is h, yung h natin is 1, is equal to, magiging, sulatan lang natin sa gilid, magiging x is equal to x prime plus 1, kasi 1 ang h, and y is equal to y prime plus, ay negative pala, kasi negative 2, so minus 2. So, yan na yung values natin. Differentiate natin, dx is equal to dx prime and dy is equal to dy prime. So, yan. Erase na natin to. Yan. Substitute na natin tong 4 values na nakuha natin. So, x is x prime plus 1 minus 4 times the quantity. Y, value ng y is y prime minus 2 minus 9. Dx is dx prime plus 4 times x prime plus 1 plus y prime minus 2 dy prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon, distribute na natin yung mga kailangan distribute. Magiging x prime plus 1 minus 4y prime plus 8 minus 9 dx prime plus the quantity 4x prime plus 4 plus y prime minus 2 dy prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon, combine na natin yung mga constant. So, 1 plus 8 is 9 minus 9 is 0. So, cancel na natin tong tatlo. 1 plus 8 minus 9. 0 yan. So, ito naman, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus negative 2 is 0. So, cancel na to. 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So, ngayon, rewrite natin yung mga natitirang variables. So, x prime minus 4y prime dx prime plus 4x prime plus y prime dy prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon is, next step natin is solve and simplify to get a homogeneous equation. Nakuha na natin yan, which is this equation. Papansin nyo is homogeneous siya. So, next step is apply solving rules in homogeneous equations involving y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. But in our case, since ang gamit natin yung may mga prime na letter, na variables, magiging siyang y prime is equal to vx prime or or x prime is equal to vy prime. So, pili tayo sa dalawa. Piliin na lang natin yung y prime is equal to vx prime. Gamitin natin yan. Nagiging y prime is equal to vx prime and dy prime is equal to v dx prime plus x prime dv. Substitute na natin, magiging x prime minus 4 vx prime dx prime plus 4x prime plus vx prime v dx prime plus x prime dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon is ilabas natin yung mga common. Dito, ang common is x prime and x prime. Dito din x prime and x prime. So, magiging siyang x prime times the quantity 1 minus 4v dx prime plus x prime 4 plus v dx prime plus x prime dv is equal to 0. So, divide natin both sides by x prime. So, makakancel to. Di ko na isulat yung pag-cancel. So, pero makakancel yan. Kasi divide natin both sides by x prime. So, ang tira na lang is ito and ito. Copy natin to 1 minus 4v dx prime plus, distribute natin yung 4 plus v sa v dx prime plus 4 plus v x prime dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon is, yan, may dx tayong common. Highlight ko lang. Itong dalawang to. Pareha sila may dx, so pwede natin sila makombine. Copy lang natin, magiging 1 minus 4v. 4 times v is 4v, so plus 4v. V times v is v squared, so plus v squared dx prime. Copy nito itong tira, so magiging 4 plus v x prime dv is equal to 0. So, erase natin itong nasa taas. Kasi wala nang space. Ito din. Lipat na natin to. So, ngayon is, kung mapapansin natin is, may negative 4b at positive 4v. So, magiging na siyang 0. Therefore, makakancel na. And, rewrite natin yung mga natira ulit. So, magiging 1 plus v squared dx prime plus 4 plus v x prime dv is equal to 0. Next natin gawin is step 4. Separate the variables and integrate. So, separate natin yung variables. Since itong equation na to is a separable na. So, dx prime over x prime plus 4 plus v dv all over 1 plus v squared is equal to 0. So, integrate na natin both sides. Ito din. So, ito naman. ln x nang naman yan, ln x prime plus 4 plus v dv over 1 plus v squared. Gawin natin is 4 dv. Separate natin yung 4 and v. So, 1 plus v squared plus v dv over 1 plus v squared is equal to 0. So, ln x prime, copy natin. Ito, ilabas natin yung constant, copy lang natin dito. So, ang solve na lang natin is yung integration of 1 dv all over 1 plus v squared. So, by formula is, itong formula na to, isulat ko, ipaalala ko sa inyo, integration of dv over a squared plus u squared is equal to 1 over a arctan u over a plus c. So, hanapin natin yung u dito and a. U natin is, u squared natin is v squared. So, u squared is equal to v squared. Therefore, u is equal to v. Ang a naman natin is, a squared is 1 here. So, a squared is equal to 1 and square root of 1 will just be 1. So, ngayon, substitute natin yung values ng u and a. So, magiging siyang 1 over 1. 1 lang naman. So, huwag na natin sulat. Arctan u over a. U is v. A is 1. So, arctan v plus c. Pero yung c, mamaya na lang natin ilagay. So, yan. Palitan na natin to. Magiging na siyang arctan v. Next is ito naman yung problemahin natin. Itong isang integration na to. Sorry. Erase lang natin to. Yan. Plus, ilalat yun natin yung 1 plus v squared. So, du is equal to 2v dv. v dv is ito na yan. So, v dv is equal to du over 2. So, integration of du over 2, 1 plus v squared is u. So, yan. Labas natin yung 1/2 dyan, magiging siyang integration of 1/2 integration of du over u. So, 1/2 du over u is just 1/2 ln u. So, ln u. Ang balik natin u, magiging 1/2 ln 1 plus v squared. So, erase na natin to. Magiging 1/2 ln 1 plus v squared. Erase na din natin to. Is equal to c. Kasi integration ng 0 is c lang naman. So, since mapapansin natin, may denominator dito. So, multiply natin both sides by 2. So, magiging, wait lang. 2 ln x prime plus 2 times 4 is 8 arctan v plus ln, kasi makakancel na yung 2. So, ln 1 plus v squared is equal to 2c. So, isubstitute na natin yung yung v, value ng v, which is from this one, yung sinubstitute natin na magiging v is equal to y prime over x prime. So, 2 ln x prime plus 8 arctan y prime over x prime plus ln 1 plus y prime squared over, kasi may squared, x prime squared is equal to 2c. So, ngayon is pwede na natin siyang i-combine. Itong 2 ln x is ln x squared, ln x prime squared lang naman yan. Isulat na natin. So, combine na natin. Erase lang natin to. And lipat natin. So, yan. Is combine na natin to kasi may pwede natin to makombine. So, magiging siyang ln x squared times, simplify natin to as one fraction. So, x prime squared, yan yung denominator. So, x prime squared divided by 1, kasi may over 1 dyan. So, x prime squared times 1 is x prime squared lang naman. Plus y prime squared plus 8 arctan y prime over x prime is equal to 2c. So, ngayon is mapapansin natin, pwede natin itong makancel kasi similar lang. And ang tira na lang is ln x prime squared plus y prime squared plus 8 arctan y prime over x prime is equal to 2c. So, next step natin is, once simplified, substitute back the values of x prime or y prime to the equation to get the final answer. So, dito natin yung mahahanap that sa sinubstitute natin kanina. So, from this, magiging x prime is equal to x minus 1 kasi yung 1 nalilipat sa left side kaya magiging negative and yung y prime naman is equal to y. Negative 2 lipat to the left side magiging positive, so yan na yan. Substitute natin yung values na yan, so magiging ln x prime is equal to x minus 1, may square dito, so squared, plus y prime is y plus 2 squared plus 8 arctan. Y prime is y plus 2. X prime is x minus 1. 2c is just c. So, answer natin is ln, la quantity x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared plus 8 arctan y plus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to c. So, yan na yung final answer natin. So, the next problem is y minus 2 dx minus the quantity x minus y minus 1 dy is equal to 0. So, first step natin is equate two lines to 0 to find hk, which are the points that intersect. So, first natin gawin is gusto ko lang i-distribute itong negative sign sa x minus y minus 1 kasi para ito maging positive and mas madali natin siyang masolve. So, magiging the quantity y minus 2 dx minus plus negative x plus y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. So, equate natin na to 0. So, y minus 2 equals 0 and negative x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So, ngayon is ma-minus na natin siya. So, times ko to sa negative 1, magiging ito na lang tuloy yung times natin sa negative 1. So, times natin to sa negative 1. Magiging y minus y, makakancel na to kasi magiging 0. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x. Negative 2 minus negative 1, minus 1 is negative 3 equals 0. So, malalaman natin na x is equal to 3, which is also the h. So, gamitin natin yung itong negative x plus y, negative x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 para mahanap natin yung y. Substitute natin yung x, magiging negative 3 plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So, y minus 2 equals 0, y is equal to 2. So, yan na yung values ng h and k natin. Y is equal to 2 is equal to k. So, yan. Next step is substitute the values to the given formula, which is just 1. And explain ko na ito. X and y are not the differentiations, but just the variables. And it could be any variable you want. So, x is equal to x prime plus h, y is equal to y prime plus k. So, ito yung mga h and k natin. Magiging x is equal to, sa gilid na lang tuloy, magiging x is equal to x prime plus 3 and y is equal to y prime plus 2. Dx is equal to dx prime, dy is equal to dy prime. So, ngayon is erase na natin to. So, we're back to our original equation. Wag na natin gamitin yung na-distribute na yung negative. So, yan. I-substitute na natin yung mga values na to. So, y is y prime plus 2 minus 2 dx prime minus x is x prime plus 3 minus the quantity y prime plus 2 minus 1 dy prime is equal to 0. So, combine natin yung mga constant. 2 minus 2 is 0, kaya makakancel. Ngayon is, distribute naman na tuloy natin to. So, y prime na lang to. Dx prime minus x prime plus 3 minus, distribute natin yung negative sign, minus y prime minus 2 minus 1 dy prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon is, yan, pwede na natin makombine. So, 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1 is 0. So, cancel na tong tatlo. Kasi magiging 0 lang naman yan. So, y prime dx prime minus the quantity x prime minus y prime dy prime is equal to 0. So, yan. Solve and simplify to get a homogeneous equation, which is nahanap na natin dito. Homogeneous na siya. Sunod is apply solving rules in homogeneous equations involving y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. Sa atin is y prime is equal to vx prime or x prime is equal to vy prime. So, ngayon, gawin muna natin is lipat natin to the right side kasi negative siya. So, y prime dx prime is equal to x prime minus y prime dy prime. So, ngayon is pili tayo. Since mas madali yung dx prime dito, wala siyang kadugtong na masyadong complicated kagaya nito. Gamitin na lang natin yung x prime is equal to vy prime. So, erase na natin to. X prime is equal to vy prime yung gagawin natin. Magiging x prime is equal to vy prime. So, y prime dx prime is equal to v dy prime plus y prime dv. So, v dy prime plus y prime dv is equal to x prime is vy prime minus y prime is y prime dy. So, distribute natin, magiging vy prime dy prime plus y prime squared dv is equal to y prime minus, labas natin yung y prime kasi common siya. So, magiging y prime v minus 1 dy. So, yan, may common din dito na y prime, which is ito. So, ilabas sa material natin y prime, magiging siyang copy lang natin to. Magiging y prime v dy prime plus y prime dv. So, divide natin both sides by y prime, makakancel to. So, ang tira na lang is v dy prime plus y prime dv equal to v minus 1 dy. So, papansin natin is may dy both sides. Ito, dy and dy. So, v minus v, kasi pag nilipat to sa left side, magiging negative to. So, v minus v is 0. So, ang tira na lang natin is negative dy. And y prime dv. So, yan na lang. Lipat natin, lipat natin to sa right side para maging positive. So, y prime dv plus dy is equal to 0. So, ngayon, pwede natin siyang i-separate yung variables. Yan. Separate the variables and integrate. So, i-separate na natin. So, hindi pala natin separate kasi magiging dv muna. dv, which is ito, plus dy prime, ito, over y prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon, na-separate na natin, pwede na natin integrate both sides. So, integration ng dv is just v plus ln y prime lang naman is equal to ln c. So, from, sinolve natin kanina, ang values ng, is, ang ginamit natin is x prime is equal to vy prime. So, v is equal to x prime over y prime. So, x prime over y prime plus ln y prime is equal to ln c. Multiply natin both sides by y prime kasi para makancel to. So, magiging x prime plus y prime ln y prime is equal to y prime ln c. So, ngayon is balik na natin yung values ng x prime, y prime. So, from what we solve is, ang value ng x prime is equal to value ng x is equal to x prime plus 3 and y is equal to y prime plus 2. So, hanapin natin yung x prime and y prime. Magiging x prime is equal to x minus 3 and y prime is equal to y minus 2. So, ngayon, substitute natin siya dito. So, na-solve natin. Erase lang natin to. So, yan. X prime plus y prime ln y prime is equal to y prime ln c. So, substitute na natin to. Magiging x prime is x minus 3 plus y prime is y minus 2 ln y minus 2 is equal to y prime is y minus 2 ln c. So, yan. Para makombine natin tong dalawa, lipat ko to the left side. So, magiging x minus 3 is equal to negative y minus 2 ln y minus 2 is equal to, plus y minus 2 ln c. So, ngayon is, distribute natin yung negative sign. So, magiging siyang y, negative y plus 2. Gawin na lang natin 2 minus y. 2 minus y ln y minus 2. So, papasin natin 2 minus y, iba na siya sa y minus 2. Iba na ang 2 minus y sa y minus 2. So, gawin natin is ilabas natin yung negative dito. So, magiging negative times negative y and to magiging positive na ln c. So, ngayon is pwede na natin makombine. So, 2 minus y ln y minus 2 over c. So, papansin natin is magiging equivalent to sa y minus 2 times 1 over c. 1 over c is equal to c lang naman siya. So, wag na natin siyang gawing fraction, magiging na lang c times y minus 2. So, ito, copy na lang natin, x minus 3. So, ang final answer natin is x minus 3 is equal to 2 minus y ln c y minus 2. So, yan na yung final answer natin. So, may iba pa akong example sa playlist and please check it out kasi the more the problems you solve, the more you get better at it. So, thank you guys for watching.